What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy video. Today we're going to learn how to remove green screens in Premiere Pro, not using After Effects or anything like this. But now to note, the green screen footage we're using here is very, very clear and concise. It was well lit, well separated, there's no fall off, so this will work really well. In a separate video, if requested, I can go over how to remove a complex green screen with fall off, some issues, and to make it look perfect. Otherwise, let's get started. Okay, so you have your footage here. I have a little matte under here too, just to show the color difference. What we'll do is go to Window and then Effects, grab this, type in Key, grab Ultra key, drag it onto our footage. In our Effect Control panel, Window and Effect Control right here, we'll drop down on Ultra key, which is this. Let's do our key color, just pick whip it, and there it is. It's been done. You can see that this guy is now on a different screen. We could put him in the background of a waterfall. He's kind of like a explorer. Otherwise, we can clean the matte up a little bit. There's these different options in here you can play with to make sure your key is perfect. Now, these are unique to your footage. There are not evergreen, settings that work great. But the most I do is soften this matte. Hit 10% or 10 points on soften, and it's very subtle, but it makes it look a little better. Otherwise, that is it. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel, and feel free to subscribe and scan the QR code on screen to find out more. Peace.